an offer where you buy something worth over £20 and you get this box for free. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Carrie's here if this is your first time. So for today we've got an unboxing video. This is from Boots. Boots are doing an offer where you buy over £20, you get this Beauty Hero box for free, and this is what, £40. So the offer is, it comes every now and again. So you buy something over £20 and then you qualify to get this as a freebie. And this is what, over £40. So I'm going to be unboxing this today. Just before I jump right into this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Also click the notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload. This is what the box looks like. So like I said, I bought something over £20 in Boots and I got this as part of the offer. So I'm just going to show you. So it comes to this nice cute box. I'm going to open it up. Really nice. I like the way they packed it. It's really nice the way they packed it. This is what inside the box is looking like. It's got like a Revlon. This is like Makeup Revolution. I think I might use this actually because I buy from Makeup Revolution all the time. So you get like a voucher. You get 1/3 if you buy from Makeup Revolution. So this is what the voucher is looking like. So this is the first thing from the box. What's in the box? This is Soap and Glory Bath Bomb. That's really nice. I can spoil myself. The Soap and Glory Bath Bomb. Really cute packaging. I like the pink ribbon there. Wow, I really like this. Definitely going to be using this. So this is the first thing in the box. Soap and Glory Bath Bomb. This is the first thing off, and then we've got this. So this is the Rimmel Finish primer. So it came with the Rimmel primer as well, makeup primer. Really nice. I love primers. You can't go wrong with primers. As a freebie, this is useful, definitely useful. So this is the Rimmel primer. Nails paint. This is a pink one. I'm not much of a fan of this color, but it's free, so why not? The color is just too pink for me, but it's good to always have something for your nails. So I said yes to this. Definitely love it. The next thing here is this. Definitely love this color. This would be superb for me. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in terms of, I'll do a quick swatch on my hand here. This would be a very nice nudie color. Very nice nudie color. I really like the color. So I'll definitely be using this. I like the color, so it's going to be very useful. Also, there is a matte metallic. This is from Sleek. This is matte metallic and it's from Sleek as well. I'm just going to open it up as well so you see what it looks like. So this is the Sleek one. This is the Sleek one. What a gorgeous color, guys. So this is the first one by Revlon and this is the one from Sleek Hair. So nice. The color is amazing. It says it's metallic. I can't wait to use this color. So this is from Sleek. These colors are amazing. Like literally, they're something I would use. So to think that I got them for free, that's really good. So definitely love this metallic one from Sleek. And the next color here, this is a black mascara, I believe. Yeah, Great Lash from Maybelline. I'll just show you what it looks like. So this is Great Lash from Maybelline and it's a nice mascara. I just love the color. I love the green lid. I love the pink. So nice. I'm just gonna open it. This is the one. Really looking nice. This is black, so definitely will come handy. I'll definitely use this. So this is from Maybelline. To think that these things are for free, I'm so like, I love this. Then we've got some things here. So we've got this. This is the Elvive. So it's like a pack, just a pack of conditioner, actually the leave-in. So this is from L'Oreal leave-in. This is like a sample size. So we've got the Elvive, this is a sample size of Elvive leave-in, really good, like a conditioner. And then we've got a few samples as well. So we've got this first one, which is L'Oreal Paris. So this is L'Oreal Paris, and this is like a sample size cream. This is another Revita. This is L'Oreal Revita Renew Advanced Formula. This is another like a sample. L'Oreal. This is a sample as well. This is like a cream as well. Anti-aging. This is anti-aging cream. Another one. So it just came with this bit for free. I really love this. So you, like I said, the deal, you buy something like over £20 and you get all this for free. I am excited. Like, I'm so happy I got it. I really love it. And that's it. That's what's in the box, guys. I really enjoyed unboxing this. I'm so excited. Can't wait to try this product on as part of my makeup routine. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like if you did. Also comment, let me know what you think. Click the subscribe button as well, join the family. Also click the notification bell so you're notified as soon as I upload. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.